shit.
Welcome to Mantry. We are doing Rigatoni alla Vodka. This stuff is great. Pemberton Distillery, up in the Pemberton Valley, making organic potato vodka. This is delicious and probably the best vodka in the world. Quite a claim. We're going to put this in a little bit of a nice tomato sauce, actually using just tomato paste. Shout out to Bon Appetit. This is their technique. I've done it. It's very tasty. So no canned tomatoes, no fresh tomatoes. You basically just unload one of these toothpaste tubes of tomato paste and then sweat it down with some onions, some garlic, drop some rigatoni, little cream, boom, boom, bam. You got dinner. So I'll show you how to do that. So let's go. Okay, we'll start with dicing up one onion. We'll slice a couple garlic cloves real thin. Don't need to chop it, we kind of want those nice little slices in there. A little olive oil in the pan, get the garlic going. In with the onion. Little salt. I like it a little bit spicy, so I'm going a little bit of this pepper flake in there. Looking nicely sweated now, so we're going to add the tomato paste. So we're going full tube, which seems like a lot, but it'll work out. Now we're just going to cook this tomato paste down till it's basically caramelized, and this is what's going to develop all of the base of the flavor of the sauce. And then we're going to use that vodka to pull everything that gets caramelized on the bottom of the pan off the pan. So the vodka acts as kind of a deglazer. So with the cream, we just want to make sure it's at room temp or even hot, so that when we add it to the sauce, it doesn't cool everything down. So make sure you just take your cream out like 45, 30 minutes before you start cooking, and then it won't cool off everything when you throw it in. So that's looking pretty good, nice and caramelized, but not burnt. Deep, dark color on that. That's the stuff we'll be pulling off the pan with the vodka. In with the vodka. Get all that stuff off the bottom of the pan. In with the cream. So that cream's nicely incorporated. We switch to the spatula. Gotta have the right tool for the job. So this is looking pretty velvety. And we're just gonna loosen this up with the pasta water and then bring it together with some Parmesan cheese. You gotta test the vodka, I guess. Beauty. We'll grate up some fresh parm here. Okay, rigatoni down. So we're going with rigatoni. You can use penne, casarecci. You can use whatever nudie you want. I like the rigatoni just because it adds a little more substance to the dish. So we've given this sauce just like 15 on the heat, very low, and you see it kind of becomes this like beautiful, almost queso cheese color. So we're just gonna add a little pasta water to the sauce. That starchy, flavorful water is gonna season it. It's also just gonna emulsify it up nicely. Throw down the pasta into the sauce. I'll add a handful of cheese as well to mix in. A little rigatoni vodka down, just kind of let it fall. A couple standing up on end if you can. Hit it with a little cheese. You can always add a little more at the table. Good olive oil. And you can also add just a touch of basil leaves just to give it a touch of color. Okay, there you go, a little rigatoni vodka sauce. Shout out to Shram Vodka, Pemberton Valley. Very good stuff. I'm gonna eat this. Have a good night.